This is my dad at the zoo. It's my boy right here. It's a true player for real right here. It's the Mac. He's the man.
Is that a man or is that a girl?
I don't know. He's a player for real.
How about you guys pretty boy? Boy or girl? I like
This is the little dude. It's my cousin.
Look how long his neck is.
I suppose so. It's my boy, Louis. I call this boy Lou. We're over here. Let's see what we got here. What's in here? Cilantro. There it is, boys. There it is. Oh my god, that's your bro.
That's my real mother on the dollar bill. It's cool.
It is low.
What's in there? What are those? Those are lizards.
They died.
The chinchillas. You see them all the way up there in the corner?
All the way up.
Bird!
Not the most wildest animal. Oh.
Why do the express like?
Yeah, cut the ball express.
No, goes like this, but you.
She told me to do the express. Vicious animal, people. Vicious one in the zoo. I like hippos. I think I am a hippo. Peace it. Haha. Say hi to your boy. Ew,
My boy.
that looks like
boy Rhino.
my Papo Yono. More like Papo Rhino Yono.
Monkey box.
Zoo walker 1 mile, healthy line. What's in here? It's a baby anteater. That's such a cute animal. Yeah, Pumbaa.
Yo, buddy.
Are you aching? Yep. For some bacon? Yep. He's a big pig. You can do a big pig too. Please. Chat, say hi to YouTube.
Hi to you, so let's all take a picture there and we'll put it on the
Yeah, take a picture.